Welcome to SP News and Knowledge. Today's topic, how big our galaxy. So let's start. Have you ever wondered how vast our Milky Way galaxy really is? Picture a sprawling cosmic city, home to billions of stars, nebulae, black holes, and planets, including our own. This celestial metropolis, spanning over 100,000 light-years, is none other than the Milky Way galaxy. As Earth dwellers, we reside in the Orion Arm, a minor spiral arm located roughly halfway from the galaxy's center. When we peer into the night sky, every star we see is a resident of this colossal cosmic structure. Yet despite its vastness, the Milky Way is but a single entity in a universe teeming with galaxies. Billions upon billions of these star-studded cities, each with their own unique structures and inhabitants, filled the cosmos, painting a picture of the truly staggering scale of the universe. But to truly grasp the size of our home galaxy, we need to dive deeper. And so, our journey to unravel the mysteries of the Milky Way begins. Did you know that the Milky Way spans about 100,000 light-years across? That's a number so colossal, it might be hard to fathom. So let's break it down. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, zips along at a staggering speed of about 186,000 miles per second. If you could hitch a ride on a beam of light, you'd circle the Earth over 7 times in just 1 second. Now imagine keeping that pace for a whole year, and then for 100,000 years. That's how wide our Milky Way galaxy is. Just think about it. Even at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to travel from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's a journey that spans human history several dozen times over. Quite a galactic giant, isn't she? That's just the beginning of the story, though. Imagine a city with 100 to 400 billion residents. That's the number of stars in our Milky Way. It's an astounding figure, isn't it? Each of these stars contributes to the vastness of our home galaxy. Now, these stars are not all identical twins. Quite the contrary. They are as diverse as the inhabitants of a bustling metropolis. Some stars are gigantic, dwarfing our sun, while others are tiny, barely flickering in the cosmic night. They come in a spectrum of colors, from fiery red to icy blue, each color signifying a different temperature. And their ages. Some stars are newborns, freshly formed from clouds of gas and dust. Others are venerable elders, having witnessed the passage of billions of years. This vibrant mix of stars, each with its own story, shapes the character and size of our Milky Way. But stars aren't the only inhabitants of our galaxy. Their combined light is just the beginning of our cosmic tale. Apart from stars, the Milky Way also houses countless planets, asteroids, comets, and nebulae. These celestial bodies, each with their unique characteristics and mysterious allure, form the vibrant population of our galaxy. Planets ranging from gas giants to rocky terrestrial worlds orbit around their parent stars in an intricate cosmic dance. Asteroids and comets, the remnants of the early solar system, hurtle through space, often leaving spectacular trails in their wake. Nebulae, the celestial nurseries of stars, paint the galactic canvas with their vibrant hues and intricate patterns. The vast distances between these objects contribute significantly to the overall size of our galaxy. Consider this. Even at the speed of light, it would take you over 100,000 years to traverse the Milky Way from one end to the other. That's a journey of about 587 quadrillion miles. As you can see, our Milky Way is a bustling metropolis of cosmic proportions. The Milky Way is not just vast but beautifully structured. This cosmic entity we call home is more than a chaotic cluster of stellar bodies. It's a masterpiece of cosmic architecture, a spiral in space. Imagine a giant cosmic whirlpool spinning in the vast expanse of the universe. This spiral structure, with its winding arms reaching out from the center, significantly contributes to the size of the Milky Way. Now, let's delve into the components that make up this spiraling marvel. The galaxy consists of several spiral arms, each teeming with stars, gas, and dust. Then there's the central bulge, a densely packed region of older stars at the heart of the galaxy. And let's not forget the halo, a nearly spherical distribution of stars and globular clusters that envelops the whole structure. These elements together create the magnificent spiral we see. While we've covered the breadth and population of our galaxy, there's one more aspect to consider. Did you know that the visible part of the Milky Way is just a fraction of its total size? Yes, you heard it right. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, holds a secret. An invisible giant, if you will. This unseen behemoth isn't composed of stars or planets, but rather an elusive substance known as dark matter. Now, when we say dark matter, we're not talking about a dark hidden region of the galaxy. Instead, we're referring to a type of matter that doesn't interact with light or any other form of electromagnetic radiation. It's essentially undetectable, yet its gravitational effects are unmistakable. This invisible entity, this dark matter, forms a colossal halo around our galaxy, adding significantly to its mass. Dark matter's presence, despite its invisibility, has a profound effect on the size and shape of the Milky Way. It's like an unseen puppet master, pulling the strings of our galaxy. Now, with all these facts in mind, let's summarize what we've learned. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is a cosmic giant of staggering proportions. It's a grand masterpiece of nature, with a diameter spanning a mind-boggling 100,000 light-years. Try to wrap your head around that. Light, traveling at a speed of about 186,000 miles per second, takes 100,000 years to cross our galaxy from one end to the other. And let's not forget the sheer number of stars it houses, somewhere between 100 to 400 billion, each potentially with its own system of planets. Add to this the countless asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies, and you start to appreciate the enormity of our galactic home. The Milky Way is not just vast, but also beautifully complex, with its majestic spiral arms and the mysterious dark matter halo that envelops it. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're looking at just a tiny part of our vast Milky Way galaxy.